my goodness. I think that's another big one. It's another big one. What's going on, people? Thank you for stopping by. Today's video is all about the 5 memorable moments I have had while I've been a bass fisherman and a YouTuber, and since I started recording all of my bass fishing moments. So I hope you all enjoy this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into number 5. All right, so let's hop into number 5. Now, this has obviously happened to a lot of fishermen out there, and it has happened to me multiple times. But what makes this so unique is that I've never had this happen with the whole weight of the fish and the hook in my finger, just dangling. Take a look. Am I just the white bass guy today and you're the lord?
You got a white crank, yeah, bottom white crank. Yeah, it tracks the white bass pretty good.
Ah, shit.
Dude, I got fucking slammed.
And I just got hooked. That looks good. Freaking white bass. If I can get revenge on you, you'll be in some grease. And then they're over there. Ouch. I know. Now, hopping to number 4. Now, this particular incident, this brought up a lot of childhood memories. When I was younger and I was lost in the mall and I couldn't find my parents. The sun was going down quickly, it was getting dark, I was lost. I was fishing on the lake, the sun was going down, it was getting late. It was 2 hours since I've been fishing, but as you can see I made it out, but here's the video. Go to the video. Oh. Whatever. This has not been a good day for me at all. Just lost my favorite frog. And I haven't even made it to the top of the lake yet. Whatever, I don't care. So, we'll see some new spots. I'm just gonna be fishing with this one rod now. I'm not even gonna slap on any new bait on that one. I'm done with that one, so whatever. So let's keep walking.
2 hours later.
All right, people, I have not thrown a bait in the water in probably 2 hours. That's because, as you can see, I'm nowhere near water. I was just fishing this morning for about 2 hours, and now I'm hiking for 2 hours. I figured I would basically just follow the trail. I know the trail goes around the lake, but there are these small trails that branch off. Yeah, I'm lost, and now I still want to fish, but more importantly, I want to find my way out. So, yeah. Okay, I think I found my way out. Finally. Yep. This is where I want to be. I can see the lake again. Yes. Okay, so this third one is a first for me. I have never hooked a bass like this. And I doubt anybody or any creature wants to ever get hooked like this. A bass right here. This is a small bass, but he slapped my bait. But he's coming back around. See what he's gonna do. He's agitated. He is very agitated. Got him. Oh, that's a weird way to hook him. That's a weird way. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Where did oh man. Got him right in his private parts, but it came out easy though, so it's gonna be a little sore a little bit, but he'll be okay. Okay, hopping into number 2. A spinnerbait is one of my favorite baits to use. You know, it's basically an all-weather, all-purpose type bait when trying to go for bass. But this next clip, I did not expect to catch this fish. I didn't even think it was possible. Dang. That was a big, big hit. Come on now. Rain stopped, the bites get turned on. The rain starts, the bite is off. A mean one. What are you doing, catfish? What in the world? Come on. A catfish chasing a spinner. Wow. Never seen that. Hold on. I'm gonna get you back in the water. Let me go get the pliers. Catfish chasing my spinner. What in the world? Never seen that before. Oh, he's trying to swim back out. Well, so first for everything. Can you believe that? Can you believe this? A catfish chasing a spinner. Never did that. Never. Awesome. No easy way to do this. Wow. Now that was amazing. Okay, number 1 is something that happened recently, something that I'm still excited about. I start shaking, it gives me goosebumps every time I think about it. It's when I caught my personal best bass. Now this bass was 8.3 pounds. I initially thought it was double digits, but hey, I haven't broke that double digit bass yet, but I'm still out there casting and I'm still searching for those bigger bass, because the way I think, whatever bass you've caught, that's your personal best, there's always another one out there bigger than that. The only way you're gonna catch it is if you keep casting. So before we get into that, first clip I would like to show was the same day I caught my PB. This was another beautiful bass. This was about 4 pound bass, 4.3. And I was excited to catch that because if you've been with me since day one, you know I always like that first cast, first bass. A lot of people think that is bad luck, but to me, it's not. I don't look at the first cast, first bass as bad luck. I look at it as good luck, and it's gonna be a great day on the water. And this video right here is proof that when you do catch your first bass on your first cast, your day can only get better. Spot fishing bass. Perfect. Let's get it. First bass, first cast, first bass, baby. That's a good one. That is a freaking giant. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a freaking giant. Woo, it's a giant. Oh my, please don't come off. No, don't splash. Oh my goodness. I gotta come over here and land this sucker. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. No, come here. Oh my God. Woo! Yeah. Oh my God. Yes. Woo! That's what I'm talking about right there, baby. First cast, first bass, and it's a freaking giant. Oh my goodness. This 4.5 pound bass. Thank you. You ready? You ready to go? She's ready. Woo. Oh my goodness. I think that's another big one. It's another big one. Oh. Another big one. Got another big one.
What do you got, son? What do you use?
Using a jig. Come on, baby. I might need a net. Oh my goodness. Come on, this is a big one. Another giant. Come on.
Okay.
He's coming over.
So you got an official salmon and steelhead.
Oh, this is the bigger one. Oh my God, net it, net it, net it, net it. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God.
Look at
Oh my God. Oh my God.
This is about 10 pounds.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Now if this is double digits, this is my first one. Oh my God. I'm freaking shaking right now.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. There's your camera.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
That
Dude.
is.
Oh,
You're the man.
I am on it. Yes, I am on it. All right. First pictures and then we'll weigh him. Let me get in the sun over here. Hook just came out. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is a tank.
Bragging right.
This is a freaking tank. Oh my God.
See what those do for you.
Oh my God. Yeah, this is definitely the biggest bass I've ever caught. My PB was 7.3.
Okay, you got her.
This is double digits. Oh my freaking goodness. Double digit bass.
That's a good 10-2, 10-3.
Not quite.
What's it saying?
8.3.
8-3.
That's still my PB though. Still my
Okay.
personal best.
Okay.
8.3. Goodness.
How much was the one you caught off at the pier down there?
That one
About
was
5.
that one was 4.5. This is basically double.
Black and blue.
All right, people, I hope you all enjoyed that. If you haven't already, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, share, comment, let me know what you all think. But until then, stay tuned because I ordered some weird bait last night. It's the weirdest I've ever seen. I've never used any type of bait like this before. I've never seen this type of bait. And I'm gonna go out to one of the lakes here in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we're gonna try to catch some bass on it. I might even hit the Noose River, which is right here behind me. So, like I said, definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on that video because if I catch anything with this bait, it's gonna be a shocker. I'm not using anything else but this bait when it comes in. And I'm not gonna stop fishing with this bait until I actually catch something. I cannot emphasize how weird this bait is. So like I said, definitely go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on this video. But until then, I'm Don with Adventure TV 919. Peace. Come on guys, subscribe. Push the button.
Yeah, come on, push the button.
And it's right there. That's all you gotta do. Just click, just push the button.
Push the button.